Welcome to channel. Today we explore the world of nursery finance and how careful planning can shape the future of early childhood education without relying on complicated jargon or technical terms. We will walk through the journey of managing resources in a nursery setting and highlight the importance of clarity, consistency, and sustainability in every decision. Running a nursery requires more than just caring for children. It involves organizing space, staff, supplies, and daily operations. Each of these elements carries a cost, and understanding how to balance them is the foundation of nursery finance. When a nursery sets up its classrooms, it must think about furniture, toys, learning materials, and safety equipment. Every purchase should be aligned with long-term goals rather than short-term impulses. One of the most important aspects of nursery finance is budgeting. A clear budget allows managers to see how much is available for salaries, utilities, food, and maintenance. Without a structured plan, expenses can quickly grow beyond control. A nursery that prepares a monthly and yearly budget gains the ability to forecast needs and avoid sudden shortages. Staffing is another critical area. Teachers, caregivers, and support staff form the heart of the nursery. Their wages must be fair and consistent while also fitting within the overall financial framework. Balancing staff numbers with enrollment levels ensures that children receive quality attention without overspending on payroll. Food and nutrition are daily essentials in a nursery setting. Healthy meals and snacks require careful sourcing from reliable suppliers. Managers must compare options to find affordable yet nutritious choices. This is not about cutting corners but about making smart decisions that protect both children and finances. Maintenance and safety also play a role in nursery finance. Regular cleaning, repairs, and safety checks prevent larger problems from arising later. A small expense today can save a nursery from a major disruption tomorrow. This principle of prevention is a cornerstone of sustainable financial management. Another dimension is resource allocation. Nurseries often receive fees from parents and sometimes support from community programs. These funds must be distributed wisely, prioritizing essentials before extras. For example, ensuring classrooms are well equipped should come before investing in decorative items. Transparency builds trust. Parents want to know how their fees are used. Clear communication about expenses and priorities strengthens relationships and encourages long-term commitment. When families see that funds are directed toward quality care and education, they feel confident in the nursery. Technology can also support nursery finance. Simple tools like spreadsheets or management software help track expenses and income in real time. This reduces errors and provides managers with accurate data to guide decisions. Nurseries must also prepare for unexpected events. Sudden repairs or changes in enrollment can affect finances. Having a reserve fund ensures stability during challenging times. This safety net allows the nursery to continue operations without disruption. Training and development for staff is another area where finance plays a role. Investing in workshops and courses improves the quality of care and enhances the reputation of the nursery. While it requires spending, the long-term benefits outweigh the initial costs. Community engagement can support nursery finance as well. Partnerships with local organizations may provide resources or shared services, reducing expenses and creating opportunities for growth. Sustainability is a guiding principle in nursery finance. Choosing durable materials, reducing waste, and adopting eco-friendly practices not only saves money but also teaches children valuable lessons about responsibility. In summary, nursery finance is about balance, clarity, and foresight. It is not about complex systems but about practical steps that ensure children receive the best care while resources are managed responsibly. Thank you for joining this session on nursery finance. Remember that every decision made in a nursery has both immediate and long-term effects. By focusing on budgeting, staffing, nutrition, maintenance, transparency, and sustainability, nurseries can thrive and provide a safe, nurturing environment for children. This concludes our video. Stay tuned for more discussions on practical approaches to managing resources in early childhood education.